iTag Equipment is the semi-trailer marketplace connecting buyers and sellers since 2012. We strive to create a seamless experience, saving you time and money. We build professional and compelling listings for our sellers that attract buyers nationwide. Get your trailer or equipment listed with us today at no cost to you. We are looking for high-quality, clean title trailers and equipment. We are not looking for any damaged, salvaged, or rebuilt equipment, preferably 10 years or newer. Visit us at itagequipment.com. That's ITAG equipment.com. Selling starts with seeing. Our process starts by focusing on creating a professional and high-quality listing that puts your trailer in the spotlight with compelling visuals, description, and specifications. Additionally, we offer a one-of-a-kind price comparison tool that appraises the value of your equipment to help guide you to a price point where your equipment sells sooner rather than later. We know what it takes to get your equipment sold and will guide you every step of the way. There is a heart and add to cart button on each listing that allows you to track the trailers you are most interested in. To access your cart, you will navigate to the top left-hand corner of the site and click on the shopping cart. This is a great way to browse and manage all of the units you are looking at in one easy-to-use place. A dedicated page to help you keep track of your favorite items while you continue shopping. Additionally, we provide a range of financing solutions for buyers, including a soft pull credit application to determine approval with no effect to your credit. Get pre-qualified today at itagequipment.com/financing. Trailers don't drive themselves. Allow iTag to handle all aspects of the delivery of your trailer with a prompt and safe delivery via a range of vetted, insured, and trusted carriers. Since 2012, we have worked with thousands of carriers to get trailers and equipment delivered across the country to our customers. Our shipping process has been fine-tuned to ensure we are using only quality and experienced carriers to get trailers shipped and en route to their new owner.